United States, I would ask you about the 4 countries that you visited before US: Guyana, Panama, Brazil, and Colombia. How was the response there when it comes to your explanation of India exposing Pakistan on world stage?
So I think all the 4 countries, it was a very clear, focused visit. Let's start with Guyana. You saw the kind of reception that we received. We met the president of Guyana. We participated in their Independence Day celebrations. We also met the vice president, who is actually former president, Jagdeo, who's the also party president. Then the prime minister hosted a dinner for us. The president hosted a dinner. Now, on the issues in Guyana, they were very clear. It's a Security Council member. They were very clear on terrorism. They condemned it outright. As far as India is concerned, in fact, across all these 4 countries, there was a clear clamor for having a strong economic relationship with India. And in fact, one of the common themes that came across was that they want IITs to be established. So you can see the contrast where there is a development-oriented approach and what exactly is Pakistan giving them. So then from there we came to Panama. And Panama also, you saw, we met the president, we also met the foreign minister. In all these places, we also interacted with the local think tanks. Dr. Tharoor had interactions with the media. Again, in Panama also, they were very clear on terrorism, no quarter, no acceptance, complete understanding, support for India's position, and also a desire to have a closer interaction. In fact, they are very keen to do investments in India and also have investments coming into Panama. And there are a number of companies which are present there. Then from Panama, we went to Colombia. You, of course, know the story of Colombia, that there was a certain apprehension because it all started with the press conference first. And Dr. Tharoor was quite clear and open about it. But by the time that evening we interacted with the Foreign Office people, next morning when we met the acting foreign minister, they withdrew their statement. And again on terrorism, they were very clear. From Colombia we went to Brazil. And I'm just quickly running over these countries. Brazil, of course, Brazil has a very old traditional relationship with India. And we met the chief advisor of President Lula. We also met the vice president, who is a political entity in himself. We met the think tanks. We also met a number of professionals and chamber of commerce where there was a lot of conversation regarding closing India-Brazil economic relationship and investments on both sides. So the main point of this is that in all these countries there is an existing economic relationship, but the desire is to much more deepen it. So here we have a contrast where these countries look upon India as a strong economic partner. And on terrorism, I think there was no confusion. The importance of these was that these are all bilateral relationships. And in many of these countries, not many visits had taken place. Of course, I think EM has interacted with most of these countries. So we could see that connecting with them, making our case, especially on terrorism, made a lot of sense to them, and they came strongly to support our position.